1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them to remove this. Remove this piece. So this is where the jack is. Put into this compartment here. Yeah, I like to remove these two chairs. Let me leave this car jack out of here. And I see one bolt there and one bolt in there. So I'm gonna remove those two bolts and hopefully be able to lift this box out of here to make room for so I can get to the third row seat. They have this little prop here so you can access the jack of the SUV. So there's one screw, two screws, three screws here, and this screw is covered under this thing here. So I have to use a solder screwdriver to pry open this thing, and I can get to this. So these are the three screws. These are the three screws. Okay. Now I can lift this thing out of here so I can get to the third row seat. Now I can get to the third row seat. You can see there's one bolt, two bolts, three bolts, four bolts in the back here, and the front probably got four bolts as well, so this way I can remove them. And just remove the four number 14 bolts out of there. Now I'm going to remove the front. We got this clip here. Unsure whether this clip is open this way or this way. Okay, yeah, this way. So I gotta poke it this way, and then I'll be able to get to this nut. Gonna do the same thing for the other three. Here we go. Here we go. And last one. All four of them came out. You can see my breaker bar. I'm going to turn clockwise to unscrew this chair seat. Number 14 bolts. Okay. All four bolts came out. Now I'm just going to move out this chair out of the SUV. That's to put screws back in to where they belong, because after a while you're not going to be able to find them. So it's best to put the number 14 bolts back in. This one is a little bit rusty, so I'm going to apply some grease before I put them back.